Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a look at something new, the Flume 2X. Now, if you've seen this channel before, you'll know that we have Flume and we've been using it for years, and they work great for monitoring your water usage on your water meter. So Flume sent us the new 2X model. So it's an improved model, but pretty much works the same as the other ones, but better. So if we look in the box, they have the quick start guide, which is handy, and the new Flume and its bridge, because you have to use a bridge. So this communicates with RF from the monitor to the hub, and then the hub talks to your Wi-Fi. Power adapter for the hub. This is really cool. A pair of rubber gloves, because if you're like us, then you have to put this in the pit in front of your house. There's a lot of bugs and spider webs and other things in there, so that's kind of a nice little addition. There's also a rubber band for hooking it up to your meter, because there's no screws required. It's all hooked up with a rubber band. And even a little tool if you happen to have the box outdoors to be able to take and lift the cover off. So they've thought of everything in here as far as hooking this monitor up. So let's take a look. All right, gloves, the rubber strap to hook it up. All right, and the bridge, all right, with power supply. And the Flume itself. So the Flume itself is kind of neat. It's already got one strap on. You got a second strap if you need it. And this part here fits up against your water meter. So it makes the contact so it can listen to the magnetic impeller on your water meter to do pretty much what your water meter does and report to you water usage. Now, to open it up, you basically just grab this end over here and it flips open. Now, this is where things change. So if you look in here, they have a couple of these gel packs. And whenever you replace the batteries, you always put these gel packs in to absorb any moisture that might get into the unit. It's because it's sitting in the ground. It also now comes with 2 battery packs. So this is a big change for them. The 2 battery packs means it lasts twice as long. And they've actually, in the motherboard here, they've actually improved the performance of it so that it's supposed to last even longer as far as battery usage. They regulate the power better. The other thing you'll notice about this is that this power brick here is actually 4 AA lithium-ion batteries. So if the battery dies, gets low, you just cut off these little plastic things here, which is basically like tape, and you put 4 lithium-ion AA batteries in them, and that's it. It's very easy to swap them out. The PCB board is blue, and the reason it's blue is they actually put a coating on this now that minimizes the amount of issues you might have if the board gets moisture on it. So it kind of protects the electronic circuits. So one of the other improvements they did was, this is the bridge. Now, as I mentioned, the bridge talks to your Wi-Fi. The bridge talks to the Flume in the ground, and it uses its own radio frequency so that it has a good solid connection. But what's really nice is the original Flume, pairing this up was kind of a pain in the neck to hook it up to your Wi-Fi. Now they put Bluetooth in here. So it's a better Wi-Fi chip, still 2.4 gigahertz, but uses Bluetooth talking to your phone for the initial setup, which really makes life a lot easier. So those are kind of the big changes they made in it. But otherwise, it works just the same as the original Flumes that we currently have installed in our house. I'll put links to our previous Flume videos in the description below. Thank you for watching.